Hey guys, hello and welcome to our DevOps Masterclass. In the folder above, as you can see, when I do pwd present working folder or directory, it tells me that my username is Voltex and I have a folder called DevOps. Okay, what I want to do is introduce you and I to the VI editor. The VI editor. Okay, now the VI is one of the most popular native programs to edit whatever you have in a Linux environment. So it is almost like a Visual Studio Code, almost like a Notepad++, but it's really powerful and it has many functionalities. But I want to introduce you to how you navigate within a terminal, a VI terminal. Let's create a document first. To create a document, you type VI and the document name and the extension. Okay, so let's actually roll with this. Okay, let me get my pen tool and explain something to you quickly. So the instruction you've actually invoked now is saying run this application called VI. So run this application called VI, okay, which is able to create a file of any extension type that I desire. Okay, so VI is your application. And of course, the next line is the document that you are creating and the extension of the document. All right. Okay. So let's actually delve right into VI. Put my pen tool over here somewhere. Okay. So this is extension of the document. I press enter, and immediately I am presented with a terminal that has all these interesting tilde characters over here on the left hand side. So to the right of every tilde is where my text will go. Okay, so it's almost like this is happens to be a margin really. But of course, it represents each line. When I go next line, it will get rid of the tilde, and then I can insert a text. Okay, let's give it a go. Now to insert a text, the word here is insert. On your keyboard, you will see the insert key. That is what you need to activate or invoke to enable access into this terminal to start typing stuff. Okay, another key to make note of is called the ESC, the escape key. Okay, so the escape and the insert are the two important things you'll focus on right this moment. So because I want to type a document, I'm going to click on insert, and I'll say this is line 1 of my document. Now keep an eye on the next line and on the tilde. When I go and press enter, the blue disappears immediately. Okay, so it's almost like a placeholder for the next schedule. So saying line 2 is ever fascinating. This line is I am called line 3, but really I am just some bits. Okay, so we got line 1, 2, and 3. Let's navigate. To move upwards, you can use your arrow keys when you are using the insert. Let me give you this key cheat code here. Once you have insert, you can use the arrow keys. When you are in the escape mode, you can still navigate the document using your H, your J, your L, and of course your K. Now, K is up, J is down, H is left, and L is what? Right. Okay. So those of you who are gamers, you're very used to these keys. H, J, L, and then K. All right. So these two are the arrow up and down, H left, L right. Okay. So let's navigate. Now I'm still in set mode, so I can still use my arrows. If I wanted to use the H, J, K, and L, and I typed H, it doesn't make any sense because I'm in set mode. It doesn't make any sense. It would only represent the character I'm typing. So I would do escape, and now I can use the H to go left, the K to go up. There's no right there, so I can come down again. Let's go to down J, and I can go, let's go down a bit more. Let's go L to your right, L to your right. Okay, so you can navigate under escape mode. Okay, but if you wanted to delete something as typed, now in insert mode, if I type the letter X, you obviously know that I'm going to get an X. Okay, let's get escape mode and now type the same letter X, and it's deleted the test. I can delete more tests painfully, or I can do fast delete, which is 2Ds. So let me write it down here for you. To delete, this is an interesting color. To delete, use the X. Okay, make sure that you have already triggered the escape mode. Okay, and that will delete your items to the left. Okay, if you want to delete the whole line, as in, for example, this whole line 2, you type D in succession. So D and D, delete in succession. Okay, let's do that. Let me press D again, X again to see if I can delete. Let me come down. I want to delete this. Let me do X again. Let me do DD fast. That has deleted line 2. Okay. Now I want to copy line 3, well, from line 3, and make it line 3 now. To copy, well, the right thing to do, if I type Y now to copy, it's in set mode, it won't help me. So let's do escape mode. And now we'll delete these two. Let's do insert to put the word in there again. Escape. Now let's copy. To copy, you use to copy, you type lowercase yy. It's a session. And to paste, you type P. Okay, so let's do that. Let's copy the line 2 now. So copy is 2 Y's. All right, let me do insert, go to the end of the line, press enter, do escape again, and now press P, and it's pasted it. To copy is YY, to paste is P, to delete is X, to delete the whole line is DD, and of course, you can navigate with the arrows or also use the HKJL, all in escape mode. Now to save the document, you can press the colon. Let me just write it down here. So the shortcut is you escape, you do a colon, you write the file, you quit. Okay, let's try that. Escape colon, you can see it down there. Let me write it down here. You can see the colon there. Now I want to write the file, and then afterwards I want to quit and press enter. Now when I do ls, I see a file called document name.est. I can do that document name. It'll tell me what I pasted there. And I do have a file with these contents. I can go back and edit this again with vi document. And I'm back here again. All right. So practice with vi terminal. It's really good. It will help you a lot. So go ahead and subscribe and like and share. And let me know what you think about making more videos on Linux. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye for now.